11 real places on Earth that seem scientifically impossible. Hey, Mr. Banana, come on, quick, jump on the couch, or a chair, or a table. The floor is lava! Lava! What do you mean it's not a real thing? Sure it is. There are so many things that we don't know about the planet, so we might as well believe that the most impossible of them are true. For example, in Indonesia, a sulfur mine was built in the side of a volcano, and at night a neon blue substance spills down its side. Sounds impossible, yet it's true. 11. The Petrifying Well, England. Anything the water of the cave touches turns to stone. Even new items left near the entrance magically turn into little stones. Scientists have found an unusually high mineral content in the waters of the cave. While stalactites and stalagmites can take centuries to form, the petrification of these items only takes weeks or sometimes months depending on the size of the item. For a long time, people believed that the well was cursed by a witch. 10. Lightning storms that never end. Venezuela. Lightning storms begin nearly every night from 7 p.m. until near dawn. It all happens near the Catatumbo River. Yup, every night. Another kind of Bermuda Triangle? There is a period of 6 weeks in 2010 that went by without storms, causing scientists to wonder if it would return. The storms returned following the hiatus and continue to rage despite scientists being unable to determine the cause. 9. The most radioactive lake on Earth, Russia. Lake Karachay is located near a former nuclear weapon factory, so its depths are pumped with the most radioactive nuclear waste. Some people say it only takes 1 hour for the lake to kill anyone who dares to approach, but we didn't find any proof to that. The area is still so toxic, though, that it makes Chernobyl look like a family-friendly tourist destination. Sounds curious. Mr. Banana, do you feel like visiting the site? 8. The Boiling River, a tributary of the Amazon River. Also called the Shanai Tempishka or La Bamba, the Boiling River sounds like something you would find on Venus or Mercury, not on our people-friendly planet. It is so hot that any animal that steps into it gets boiled alive. The water is as hot as 196 degrees Fahrenheit. The nearest volcano that might be heating up the water is 434 miles away, so it's not the reason. Scientists believe that there may be a fault line between the earth cracks that causes the phenomena, but they have yet to prove the theory. 7. Neon blue lava, Indonesia. The volcano itself is dormant, but at night a neon blue substance spills down its side, flowing like a river of lava. Kawah Ijen is often described as a volcano with blue lava, although scientists now know that the blue trickle isn't really lava, it's sulfur. This phenomena is caused by the sulfur being mined from within the volcano. The gas semi-solidifies into a liquid form and flows down the mountain. The floor is lava game begins now. 6. The Hesdalen Lights, Norway. Over the Hesdalen Valley, you can see beautiful floating lights of white, yellow, and red cross the night sky. Often mistaken with an alien invasion, the phenomenon appears when it's dark and can last anywhere from a few seconds to longer than an hour. Some researchers believe they may be caused by ionized iron dust. Do we believe them? 5. The Door to Hell, Turkmenistan. If you get on the highway to hell, you'll end up by the door to hell for sure. Located in the middle of the desert, there's a 2,200-foot wide hole in the earth that has been burning for over 40 years. In 1971, a team of geologists broke through the surface into a massive underground cavern that proceeded to get larger and swallowed the drilling rig. People got afraid that the cave was releasing dangerous gases, so the geologists set it on fire to burn off the gases. Sure enough, it caught fire and then never went out. 4. A forest of needle-like rock, Madagascar. It's located in the Singi de Bemaraha National Park. The entire park is composed of a forest of needle-like rock spires up to 400 feet high in some areas. It's razor sharp, but it's a home for thousands of species that can't be found anywhere on the planet. The rock could pierce the hiker's boots, leaving holes in the rubber. You'll have to squeeze through the narrow passages, stem narrow ravines, and straddle fins that are like fences topped with broken glass. 3. The park that goes underwater every spring, Austria. You know that rush of blood when you jog? The road is rushing away from your feet, but you have to stop because it's time to put on your snorkel mask. No, it's not nonsense, but a real place in Austria that floods every spring. Once it's a nice green park with benches and everything. The next moment, it's a nice blue lake. The park is near the Haschwa Mountains, which get completely covered with snow in the winter. When it melts, the park lake doubles in size and drowns the park. Divers can explore the underwater world where bridges and benches are the home of fish. 2. The Gomantong Caves, or the Hell on Earth, Malaysia. It's estimated that more than 2 million bats live in the Gomantong Caves. With that many bats in such a confined area, guano has nowhere to go but down, so the floors of the caves are covered by mountains of bat waste, hundreds of feet thick. Ew. However, to get there, they have to crawl through the sea of cockroaches. 1. The Blue Pond of Hokkaido, Japan. With tree stumps protruding from the surface of the water, the Blue Pond has an ethereal and enchanting appearance. It's an artificial pond created when a dam was erected to protect the region from mud flows that might occur from the nearby volcano on Mount Takachi. It has become a hot tourist spot in recent years. The pond displays various hues of blue depending on the season and the weather. Even a slight breeze will change the pond's appearance. The frozen surface of the pond gives the appearance of white sand. The blue color of the pond has not been fully explained, but is attributed to the presence of aluminum hydroxide in the water that reflects the shorter wavelength blue light the same way the Earth's atmosphere does. Do you want to learn more about the magical and mysterious, or maybe dangerous places that exist on Earth? Leave us a note in the comments so we know what you like. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to never miss new videos from Smart Banana.